This is Wallet Brief, where we break down what actually moved the US economy this week, without the noise. If prices, interest rates, jobs, housing, or taxes are quietly changing your money, this is where you stay informed. Let's get into what really happened this week, and what it means for your wallet. Weekly stock market trends are showing a clear pattern right now. Volatility is back, and markets are moving with less consistency. Some days are strong, others pull back, and that creates uncertainty for investors. What's driving these weekly stock market trends is shifting expectations. Investors are reacting to economic signals, interest rate outlooks, and broader uncertainty. When confidence isn't fully stable, markets tend to swing more frequently. The real trend behind the headline is instability in direction. Markets aren't committing to a clear upward or downward path. Instead, they're reacting quickly to new information, which leads to short-term swings. So how do you protect your wallet during volatility? First, consistency matters more than timing. Trying to predict every move in a volatile market often leads to mistakes. Staying consistent with your long-term plan can reduce emotional decisions. Second, diversification becomes more important. When markets are uneven, spreading investments across different sectors can help reduce risk. Third, cash flow awareness matters. Volatility can impact investment value, but your day-to-day financial stability depends on budgeting, savings, and managing expenses. For your wallet, these weekly stock market trends can feel uncomfortable. You may see your investments rise and fall more frequently, but volatility is part of how markets adjust. It doesn't always mean long-term loss. There's also a broader effect. When markets are volatile, businesses and consumers tend to act more cautiously. That can influence hiring, spending, and overall economic momentum. Looking ahead, volatility may continue until clearer economic signals emerge. Investors are waiting for stronger direction, and until then, swings may remain part of the market environment. That's your wallet brief for this week. These changes don't always make headlines, but they do change how much you pay, save, and earn. We'll be back next week with